Hi, today we have in our hand a luxury phone. It's the Samsung Note 8 and it's locked with the Google Factory Reset protection, and we will show you how to unlock it easily in case you forget your password or whatever. So keep watching, don't forget to subscribe and support us. Here the phone is asking for the old Google account. If you forget it or you forget your password, no problem. Now press the text field in order to get access to the keyboard. From there, press and hold the button next to add symbol and click the configuration icon. Now scroll down and press about Samsung keyboard, then press update. You have to agree the terms and conditions. From there, look for the calculator application and download it. Now run the application and type the code that you see on the screen. A new menu will appear. Now type star pound 0808 and pound. Then choose the last option and click on reboot. This will enable ADB on your phone so that we can bypass the Google account lock. Now connect your phone to the computer and from there navigate to the folder that contains ADB. If you don't have it already, you will find a download link in the description. From that folder, press shift and right mouse button and choose open command window here. In order to make sure that the phone is connected, type ADB devices. You will see a serial number and unauthorize it. So you have to allow ADB debug from your phone. And let's type again. Now it's authorized. Now you have to copy and paste in the command window the code in the description. Now let's jump back to the phone. Click next and that's it. Your phone is successfully unlocked. And just to make sure, we will enter to the settings and see the Android version and security patch. As you can see here, it's a Galaxy Note 8 and it's running Android version 7.1.1, Samsung Experience 8.5 and Android security patch level December 1st 2017. I hope that you enjoy watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media.